BRD, founded in 2011, is a high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, manufacturing services in one on energy conservation and a thermal insulation integrated system, intelligent cold chain system, exterior wall metal plate system. For more than 10 years, BRD adheres to the industry specialization and diversification, expands and builds the core competitiveness of the sustainable development through continuous innovation. In 2020, BRD listed on the new third board and entered the innovation layer of the new third board successfully. It was awarded many famous investment institutions, such as Kaiyuan Securities, Young Eagle Fund, Smart Finance Venture Capital Fund, and became a strategic shareholder of BRD, with product quality as the purpose and customer demand as the center. BRD does not stop at the level of product manufacturing and product innovation, but also provide customers with more systematic, more comprehensive, and more valuable services by closely around market changes and customer needs. Focused on high-quality products and motivated by innovation, the company continues to invest in the original innovation ability, key core technologies, transformation of scientific and technological achievements, and carries out in-depth cooperation with many domestic universities, and has successfully become the national high-tech enterprise and the provincial engineering technology center, as well as the arbitrator of integrated board industry and the participant for enacting national standard for green product evaluation. Besides, the company was nominated as the China Science and Technology Innovation Unit of 2019, with 2 standard laboratories and 183 other patents correlatively. For now, BRD have the ability to provide a variety of energy-efficient PU, PIR, and rock wool panels, thermal-insulated integrated decorated panels, aluminum veneer series wall panel, MCM soft porcelain series plate, multifunctional coating series, clean room panel series, and so on, which can cover the project's implement of cold chain logistic, industrial plants building, commercial center, municipal engineering, office buildings, schools and hospitals, house renovation and food processing, medical manufacturing, and so on. And BRD is ready to meet the various needs of our customers with one-stop solution. For long-term strategy, BRD targets overseas and deploys the Belt and Road Economic Zone, keeping an eye on the huge demand for green new materials in the international market. In 2019, our overseas One Belt One Road projects based in Malaysia and intelligent manufacturing factories based in Tokyo have been put into operation one after another. By integrating domestic material management and operation systems, supplying high-quality raw materials, and regional advantages of local market, our overseas factories is booming in sales and market. And we are now the top 3 in the global industry, the marketing centers in 10 provinces and regions of China, with colleagues in 7 countries and with customers in more than 80 countries and regions. With more than 10 years of hard working, BRD has served more than 17,000 system solution projects and has been rated as selected supply service providers and international famous brands for cold chain system and prefabricated system materials for years. Now, the company's products have served the energy conservation and thermal insulation material suppliers of CSCEC, CREC, CNNC, State Grade, ABB, and other projects, with a compound annual growth rate of more than 50%. A series of landmark projects such as Alibaba Cloud Computing Center, Malaysia Paper Manufacturing Factory, USA Clean Room Project, Chile Food Production Factory, Sweden IKEA Warehouse, Sudan Government Power Plant Project in the near ginger candy factory have been successfully completed, which are shining in the sun. From each high-performance product to each high-level building, behind the BRD's unremitting efforts to promote the innovation boundary, the open innovation strategy has yielded fruitful results. BRD has established strategic cooperation relationships with international enterprises such as Baosteel, Yehui, BlueScope, Huntsman, BASF, Puma, etc., focusing on coatings, plates, and core materials, aiming at industry hotspots, insight into market demand, and provide customers with high-end innovative products and services. To build a first-class supply chain with customers as the center, BRD actively explores modern manufacturing methods, realizes information management and accounting in the whole process from tapping customer needs to production delivery, so as to shorten the distance between manufacturing and the market and create a new height of intelligent manufacturing for enterprises of the era. On the new journey of chasing dreams, BRD will provide BRD solutions and contribute to BRD strength in order to achieve green, low-carbon, and sustainable development, improve the technical content and service level of energy conservation, environmental protection, and declaration integration with a more focused spirit, more advanced technology, more sophisticated management, better products, and better services.